Do you think healthy food is boring? Think again. You can lose weight and still enjoy delicious food. It's time to ditch the diet and feel good. Dieting can make you feel hungry. You might feel tired. This is not the way to live. You deserve to feel your best. When you restrict food, your body craves it more. This can lead to overeating. You are not weak. It is a natural response. Our bodies are smart. When we restrict food, our bodies think there's a shortage. They crave those foods even more. This makes us want them more. We might give in and overeat. Then we feel guilty. This is the cycle of restriction. It's time to break free. When most people think about healthy eating, they often imagine strict diets, constant calorie counting, or giving up their favorite foods. But the truth is, healthy eating is not about eating less or depriving yourself. It's about making choices that support your well-being and help you feel your best every day. Instead of focusing on restriction, focus on abundance. It's about eating more of the right foods, foods that are packed with nutrients, flavor, and color. Think of your plate as an opportunity to nourish your body with a variety of wholesome ingredients, from leafy greens and whole grains to lean proteins and fresh fruits. Choose foods that truly nourish your body and mind. When you fill your meals with fresh produce, whole foods, and minimally processed ingredients, you provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to thrive. Shopping for seasonal produce and preparing meals at home can make healthy eating enjoyable and rewarding. These foods will keep you full and satisfied, helping to reduce cravings and prevent overeating. Sharing wholesome meals with friends and family can also make healthy eating a joyful and social experience rather than a chore. When you eat more nutrient-rich foods, you naturally crowd out the unhealthy ones. Over time, your taste buds adjust, and you may find yourself craving nourishing options instead of processed snacks or sugary treats. Small changes like swapping soda for water or chips for fruit can make a big difference. This is a positive and empowering way to approach eating. Rather than focusing on what you can't have, celebrate all the delicious and nutritious foods you can enjoy. Cooking and eating together can strengthen relationships and create lasting healthy habits. Every time you add something good to your diet, like berries to your breakfast or seeds to your salad, you're taking a step toward better health. Remember, sustainable healthy eating is about progress, not perfection. Enjoy the journey and celebrate every positive choice you make. When it comes to eating healthy and feeling truly satisfied after a meal, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you approach your food. Let's explore some simple, practical strategies that can help you feel full, energized, and happy with your choices, without feeling like you're missing out or constantly battling hunger. The first strategy is called volume eating. This means filling your plate with foods that are naturally low in calories but high in volume, like vegetables, leafy greens, and fruits. When you load up your meals with these foods, you can eat a larger portion, which tricks your brain and stomach into feeling full, even though you're not consuming a lot of calories. Vegetables and other fiber-rich foods, such as lentils, beans, and whole grains, are packed with fiber. Fiber is a key nutrient that slows down digestion and helps you feel satisfied for longer. When you eat more fiber, you're less likely to reach for snacks between meals, and you'll notice your energy levels stay more stable throughout the day. Try adding a big salad, a side of roasted veggies, or a bowl of hearty vegetable soup to your meals. Next up, let's talk about smart swaps. You don't have to give up your favorite foods to eat healthier. Instead, look for ways to make small changes that add up over time. For example, if you love pasta, try using whole wheat noodles or spiralized zucchini. If you crave something crunchy, swap out chips for air-popped popcorn or roasted chickpeas. These swaps keep the flavors and textures you love, but with more nutrients and fewer empty calories. One of the easiest swaps is choosing whole wheat bread instead of white bread. Whole grains are less processed, so they contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This means your body digests them more slowly, keeping you full for longer and helping to avoid those energy crashes that come with refined carbs. Another simple swap is choosing baked or grilled chicken instead of fried chicken. Baking or grilling uses less oil, so you get all the protein and flavor without the extra fat and calories. You can season your chicken with herbs and spices to keep it tasty and satisfying. Now let's talk about balance. The 80-20 rule is a great way to enjoy your food and stay on track with your health goals. This means aiming to eat nutritious, wholesome foods about 80% of the time, and allowing yourself to enjoy treats or less healthy options the other 20%. This approach helps you build a healthy relationship with food, so you don't feel restricted or deprived. For example, if you're at a birthday party or out with friends, go ahead and have a slice of cake or share some fries. The key is moderation. When you know you can enjoy your favorite treats occasionally, you're less likely to overindulge or feel guilty about your choices. This balance makes healthy eating sustainable for the long term. Finding this balance is what helps most people stick to their healthy habits. It's not about perfection. It's about making good choices most of the time, and giving yourself permission to enjoy life's little pleasures. This way, you can stay motivated and avoid the all-or-nothing mindset that often leads to frustration. Another important strategy is focusing on protein. Starting your meals with a good source of protein, like eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, or beans, can make a big difference in how full you feel. Protein takes longer to digest than carbs, so it helps you stay satisfied and curbs cravings later in the day. Plus, protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle, especially if you're active or trying to lose weight. Including a portion of protein at every meal can help you reach your health goals, whether you're looking to get stronger, lose fat, or just feel more energized. Finally, let's talk about mindful eating. In our busy lives, it's easy to rush through meals or eat while distracted by screens. But taking the time to slow down and really pay attention to your food can make a huge difference in how satisfied you feel. Mindful eating means noticing the colors, textures, and flavors of your food, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Try putting your fork down between bites, chewing slowly, and savoring each mouthful. This not only helps you enjoy your food more, but it also gives your body time to register when you're full, so you're less likely to overeat. You might be surprised at how much more satisfying your meals become when you eat with intention and gratitude. Remember, healthy eating isn't about strict rules or depriving yourself. It's about making small, positive changes that add up over time. By filling your plate with fiber-rich foods, making smart swaps, finding balance, prioritizing protein, and practicing mindful eating, you can feel full, satisfied, and happy with your meals every single day. You can still enjoy your favorite foods. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to the meals and treats you love most. In fact, with a few creative tweaks, you can savor all your favorites while still nourishing your body and feeling your best. It's all about balance, making smart choices, and discovering new ways to prepare the classics. All it takes is making some simple swaps. For example, if you love pizza, you don't have to give it up. Instead, try making it at home with a whole wheat crust, which adds fiber and nutrients, and load it up with colorful veggies like bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes. You'll get all the delicious flavors you crave, plus a boost of vitamins and minerals. Or if you're craving something sweet like ice cream, there's a healthier way to indulge. Instead of reaching for a pint of store-bought ice cream, try blending frozen bananas. The result is a creamy, naturally sweet treat that tastes just like soft serve, but without any added sugar or artificial ingredients. You can even add a splash of vanilla or a handful of berries for extra flavor. This simple swap is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth in a healthy way. These easy changes can make a big difference. You'll find that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. In fact, it can be fun and rewarding to experiment with new ingredients and recipes, and to share these meals with friends and family. Honestly, you don't have to give up the foods you love. With a little creativity and a willingness to try new things, you can enjoy every bite and feel great about your choices. So go ahead, treat yourself, and make every meal a celebration of good health and good taste. The 80-20 rule is all about balance. Eat healthy most of the time and allow yourself to enjoy treats occasionally. This way, you can still have your cake and eat it too, just not all the time. This balance keeps you feeling happy and healthy. Protein is essential for a healthy body. It keeps you feeling full and helps you build muscle. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and protein smoothies are great options. For lunch and dinner, include protein with each meal. Chicken, fish, beans, and tofu are all excellent sources of protein. Mindful eating is about paying attention to your food. Slow down and enjoy each bite. Put your fork down between bites and chew your food thoroughly. Savor the flavors and textures. When you eat mindfully, you appreciate your food more. You're also less likely to overeat, and this helps you make healthier choices. Start your journey to happy, healthy eating today. It's time to ditch the diet and truly love your food.